Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WKHS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, an absolutely wild ride here. Actually did break up above this area of resistance up there at $20. That level of resistance being represented by the red line right there. Unfortunately, though, a true breakout has two parts. The first part is always the obvious one. Well, yeah, price has to break above a certain price, right? Well, then the next thing is, well, then the price actually has to be able to stay above it, has to be able to maintain. And the whole maintaining of the breakout is where the price ultimately failed. So, yes, it was good to see that the price had enough strength to be able to push up and get above the $20 mark. But as of right now, it just did not have enough strength to stay up above that area. So $20, I would fully agree that it's been a weakened level of resistance. So sure, it's been weakened, but weakened level of resistance or not, still got to be considered an area of resistance. So continue to watch $19 moving forward. And then the other little update I want to do is not really an update, but more so house cleaning. I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of that green line right there. That way we can just focus on really what I think is the most important overall level of support. That being that purple line right there, the 50-period moving average. And I know I've talked about this in past videos, but that really just simplifies the process because as time goes by, that line is going to continue to move higher and higher. So as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, well, that by definition, by default, implies that the price is still putting in those higher lows. So again, sure, disappointing to see the price pull back from those gains, but it is still building a higher low. I mean, you look where the lows have been, and you can see they keep getting higher and higher. And again, by definition, in order for the price to stay above that purple line, that's going to be increasing. The price will need to continue to do that, which is a nice little sign of bullishness. But yeah, disappointing that the price ultimately failed with the $20 mark, but it is still above that 50-period moving average. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.